Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.